Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22, and two of them are right here in front of you. On your right, Christ like mom and dad. This is a Tagalog English version, English Tagalog version. Christ like mom and dad. And at the bottom of the book, Maka-Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. That's the Tagalog version. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, VSCD and CD. On your left is my first book among my 22 books. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And everything that you would like to know about me, please go to my website, juanitagutierrez.com. And everything is below my video in the description box. And also, all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, OutskirtsPress.com, Speak Tagalog, you will see, and all bookstores worldwide, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. And how are you all? Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe, and happy month of June and forever. And let's go to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today, by this time, you will know how to pronounce Tagalog. Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this because in Tagalog, Tagalog. Conversations, and these are some of the conversations. Accent means bunto in Tagalog. First syllable bun, second syllable to. To is where the accent is, so you say bunto. Pronounce means bigkas, so you pronounce this bunto, bigkas in Tagalog. So here are some Tagalog conversations. Ano ang pangalan mo? Ano is what, ang is, pangalan name, mo is your. Again, ano ang pangalan mo? What is your name? You will see a different positioning there. Magandang umaga. Magandang, that's beautiful. There's an NG there when you would like to connect another word. But maganda, the word maganda means beautiful. And so, when we say magandang umaga, umaga means morning, magandang, beautiful. We added the the ng, the connective word, when another word comes in. So you say magandang umaga. That means beautiful morning or good morning. Magandang hapon. Maganda, that means beautiful or good. And there is a conjunction there, connective word when another word comes in. So hapon means afternoon. Magandang gabi. Gabi means night. Maganda, beautiful or good night. And the word maganda means beautiful. And so, let's review Tagalog conversations. Accent means bunto. Ano ang pangalan mo? What is your name? Name, pangalan mo, your. Ano, what. Ang is, pangalan, name mo, your. And magandang umaga. Umaga means morning. Beautiful, maganda, or good. There's an NG there, as I have mentioned, because there's another word coming in. Magandang hapon. Hapon means afternoon. Magandang, beautiful. Remember, there is an NG there because there is another word coming. That's a connective word. Magandang gabi. Gabi means night. Magandang, beautiful or good. The word maganda means beautiful. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Gutierrez. Blessings of Christ. There's a Christ love. Christ love and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. Thank you all so very much for watching. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat. Magkita ulit po tayo. See you all again. Enjoy. Ito po si Binibining Juanita Gutierrez. In English, this is Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSc DMSCD, speaking to you about the video. Enjoy your day as always. See you all once again. Thank you all for watching.